Hi, my name's Kyle.
And I'm Heather, and we're both Gradaya teachers here in Mazunte, Mexico. And this is an introduction for the Embodying Grace workshop. And in this workshop, we'll be diving into what embodiment actually means. And we've heard this term being used quite a lot in the last little while, which is a pointer to its importance or its relevance.
This workshop will be mostly practice-oriented. We'll be exploring together the spiritual path as a fully embodied journey or a fully embodied experience. We'll be exploring breathwork practices to help open the body, to kind of hack the nervous system, to create the states of openness, receptivity, focus that we ideally want to cultivate. And different movement, conscious movement and physical expression practices to help us express the freedom of our being through our form. But mostly we'll be exploring somatic meditation practices that have their root in the Indian Vajrayana tradition, the tradition from which all modern practices of Tantra take their root.
So we'll be exploring the non-conceptual experience of the body, so what the actual experience of the body is beyond the concepts of the mind, we can say. I guess essentially really learning how to trust in life, or more importantly, trusting in our own life and exactly how it's unfolding, and learning how to really love ourselves and what that actually means, like what is self-love. How to learn how to love all of the parts of ourselves that tend to be suppressed or looked over or rejected even. So we'd like to invite you to come and join us here in beautiful Mazunte, Mexico for this workshop.